Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're at the Silver Lake Recreational Area off of Silver Lake Road. I'm going to give you a tour of this entire complex and show you everything that it has to offer. One of the things that we enjoy visiting this park for is for the abundance of activities. There's playgrounds, there's a nice paved walking trail, also a huge field for activities. You can play baseball, kickball, soccer, and it is pet friendly as well. Is so beautiful today. It is in the high 80s, but I'll tell you what, this weather has been perfect. Now you can do two things up here. You can go right, which goes around the perimeter of the park, or you can go left, which goes along the tree line and towards some walking trails. We love how well maintained this area is too. They take great care of the park. If you're visiting Traverse City, make sure to put this on your bucket list of things to do. It's a great place to enjoy a nice afternoon with your family. Got some wildflowers to the left. Now on the back half of this walk, you can actually see that they do a great job mowing the grass. So you can actually have a nice picnic up here, because this is a great place to walk your dog. Just get out, especially if you're on your lunch hour, or if you just want to go for an afternoon walk. Now, if I'm not mistaken, there is a trail back here in the woods, near the back half of the property. Silver Lake Trail. Let's check it out. We got a nice breeze today. There's a great change in elevation as well too. I love going on hikes in the woods because it's a great calming activity that I enjoy. Get to reflect on my day, think about what I want to get accomplished next for the next day. And just the weather, again, has been so beautiful in Traverse City this year. Hopefully you're able to get out and enjoy it as well. At the bottom of the hill, it does clear out a little bit. You can actually go right down to a small little lake. Or you can go left and continue on. I think that's what we'll do. Let's head over here and take a look at the water. It's beautiful. You can actually see Silver Lake out here, right past those trees. All right. The trail continues on through the woods up here. Essentially, this trail will actually loop back up by the paved trail up at the top, so it does just a little loop. See, we're already starting to go up the hill right now. This is about a 5 to 10 minute walk, depending on how fast you pace yourself. Trees look so beautiful with the sunshine shining through. If you're enjoying these nature walkthroughs, make sure to hit that like button and to hit that subscribe button as well. It goes a long way for the channel and we really appreciate it. So we are now approaching another lookout. Look at that. It's an otter. He just went down under the water, but that was an otter. I've never seen an otter on this trail before. There he is. Look at him go. Just taking a break. That was really cool. I've never seen an otter down here on the trail. In fact, I probably have never seen an otter in real life besides at the zoo, so I really enjoyed that. Continuing to the right after that small detour, we're going to continue up on the path. Alright, there's two ways you can go. The steep way, the easy way. This hill to the right gradually increases to the top. As you can see, you can continue down to go look at some more water views. But straight ahead will take us right back up to where we started. I would consider this a high moderate trail considering the elevation change, the uneven terrain, and the roots from trees poking up that could be tripping hazards. You would definitely want to wear shoes that are well fitted for this specific walk. We're now approaching the paved path that goes around the entire park. And here we are. The path continues along this way, or we can head this way. Picnic pavilions that you can use. They mentioned how you can rent them, but I don't know why you couldn't just show up and enjoy them like any other person. They also have a grill as well to use. There's the dog park right here. It is the fully enclosed dog park. Rather large. They have a waste receptacle too to put any dog droppings in. And since there are children playing, I'm just going to shoot this from afar, but there is a nice sized kids playground as well with some swings. So a little bit for everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Traverse City Guide showing you Silver Lake Recreational Area. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, I'm Justin.